with this tool, all you need to do is twist the screws out. Slide the clamp out, and then you'll take and replace the new clamp the exact same way. You can make sure it's lined up like the other clamps. It just lays flat, slides on, and always start with this side first. Okay, for the surface mount clamps, you're going to need to use the shims that we provided. You're going to need to look the inside of the boat, and you want to take the shim, find the best combination of shims that will slip in and just wedge in behind that block so that block stays in place when we remove the clamp. So once the shim is in place to hold the block in place, go to that clamp, slip the wrench on, and remove both screws. Once the clamp's out, you want to use the new clamp and replace it. You just want to fold this part down over on itself and hold it with your finger. You put the new screw you're going to use right into it. And you can take your wrench, put it right into the head, line them both up, and then you should be able to just go about screwing it in. If you have a battery operated impact wrench, or impact driver rather, or a screwdriver, screw gun, and you put the bit in it, it's going to speed up the process for that, for the ones that you can access easily. So same process, always do the screw that's on the left, take that one out first, then take this one out and put the left hand side in first and then the right hand side. Otherwise the torque of the gun itself may spin the clamp out of its location while you're trying to put it back in.